Most people get this wrong. They think CashSnap is just another instant loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that CashSnap has evolved into a full-featured financial platform, offering early wage access, short-term advances, and even installment options for managing larger purchases. Here's how it works. CashSnap allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, usually within a few hours. This is ideal for unexpected bills, urgent repairs, or emergency expenses without resorting to high-interest credit cards. On top of that, CashSnap lets you split eligible purchases into smaller payments, helping you stay on budget while still getting what you need. The app has a simple dashboard where you can track your advances, monitor upcoming payments, and even see insights about your spending habits. Push notifications and alerts keep you on track, so you are less likely to miss a repayment and incur fees. That said, there is a catch. Overusing CashSnap can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly accumulate fees. It's best used as a short-term solution rather than a permanent financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or splits you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications turned on to track upcoming payments. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to avoid over-reliance on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, CashSnap in 2026 is a flexible, practical financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track your spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.